Sydney, Reuters. Asian investors dumped shares and drove to the safety of the yen and gold on Monday amid fears of a global trade war and worries of political uncertainty in Italy, risks that cloud the outlook for world growth. Italian voters delivered a hung parliament on Sunday, flocking to anti-establishment and far-right parties in record numbers and casting the Eurozone, a Euro trademark's third-largest economy, into a political gridlock that could take months to clear. The euro traded choppily around $1.2320, easing from a two-week high of $1.2365 as the Eurosceptic five-star movement saw its support soar to become the largest single party, according to projections based on early vote counting. In the United States, President Donald Trump proposed tariffs on imported steel and aluminum, a pledge that met with warnings of retaliation from the rest of the world over the weekend. The specter of a global trade war hit risk appetite, sending MSCI Euro Trademark's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan down 0.8% to the lowest since mid-February. U.S. stock futures did not inspire much confidence, with S&P E-minis down 0.6% and Dow futures off 0.4%. A euro or eth messy Italian election result adds a bit to the nervousness to global equity markets at present, a euro, said Shane Oliver, Sydney-based chief economist at AMP. A euro or eth Italian election does run the risk of making Italy a euro trademark's public finances worse than they already are, with no progress in addressing Italy a euro trademark's long-term competitiveness problems. A euro. The euro still found support after Germania Euro Trademark's Social Democrat Party decisively backed the renewal of an alliance with Chancellor Angela Merkel Euro Trademark's Conservatives, allowing her to form a new government more than 5 months since the country's Euro Trademark's inconclusive election. The single currency also got a lift from some safe haven flows, as did the Japanese yen. The dollar fell for a fourth straight session to trade around 105.52 yen, but was slightly above Friday a euro trademark's low of 105.23, a level not seen since November 2016. A euro nothing a euro trademark's happened over the weekend to soften concerns about trade wars or retaliatory actions by other countries. A euro, said Ray Attrill, head of Forex strategy at National Australia Bank. A euro or ether is no rowing back, so that gets us to a cautious start. A euro. Canada and Mexico have threatened retaliation, and the European Union said it would apply 25% tariffs on about $3.5 billion of imports from the United States if Trump carried out his threat. China said on Sunday it did not want a trade war with the United States but will defend its interests, warning that policies based on a euro and mistaken assumptions a euro will damage bilateral relations. Soft shares. Investors fear the current momentum in the global economy could be lost if Trump starts a trade war. Asian markets were a sea of red, with Japan a euro trademark's Nikkei and South Korea a euro trademark's Kospi both down about 1%, while Chinese shares eased too after starting on a positive note. Hong Kong a euro trademark's Hang Seng index slipped 1.4%. A euro or frustration with a lack of market access and a lack of fair trade are understandable. A euro, said Peter Jolly, global head of research for National Australia Bank. A euro or if this escalation draws that into focus with some improvement, that would be positive. But retaliatory tit-for-tat measures would weigh against market access, a cost to growth with increases in trade prices, costs, and inflation. A euro. Investors will keep an eye on a deluge of data this week, culminating in the U.S. non-farm payrolls on Friday. The annual opening of the National PPA Euro Trademark's Congress in China was another focus for investors. China Euro Trademark's Parliament has kept the economy a Euro Trademark's growth target at 6.5% for this year. In commodities, oil prices climbed ahead of a meeting between OPEC and U.S. shale firms in Houston, raising expectations that oil producers would discuss further how to clear a global glut. Brent crude was up 25 cents at $64.63 a barrel, while U.S. light crude added 23 cents to $61.48. Spot gold climbed 0.3% to $1,326.46.